Let's get ready to make our goblin costume. We're going to need a number of supplies to do that. We're going to need several brushes. We're going to need bigger brushes on which to apply makeup on larger areas of the face. We're also going to need several smaller brushes to apply finer details. I mean, some of these are quite small. Also, we're going to have some type of Q-tip applicators, again, for those really details and getting into the nooks and crannies of the face. You're also going to have some of your smaller bristle brushes that come with a lot of makeup kits you'll find in stores, although they're not as good as some of these other brushes. We're going to have our circular sponge, which we're also going to use to apply a lot of makeup all around big areas of the face. We have some liquid latex, which we're going to use for some other kind of skin modeling effects. We also are going to have a lot of different makeup colors involved here. I mean, goblins have a lot of different shades going on. We're going to have a couple different types of black, both the black out of the your makeup kit you can get in stores. Also, we're going to have some more like liquid black makeup in addition, which is just kind of like blends better. Sometimes they refer to this as grease makeup. We're also going to have light greens and grays and even some light browns, all of which is going to be mixed around on the goblin's face. Another option is to have some type of glitter. I would prefer either gold or silver glitter to put on the face. Now, we're not going out clubbing, but goblins are sort of magical, mythical creatures, and some glitter can help add to that effect.